In this session, we are going to build a website from scratch using HTML and CSS. So this is going to be a good opportunity to review and practice the skills we have learned in the HTML and CSS chapters of this course. So before going ahead and making this website, you need to make sure that you're comfortable with the basics of HTML and CSS. Okay? So let's go through the different sections of our website. So first of all, we're going to have a header where we're going to place a title for our website, or what we call a brand. And then we're going to have a nice search box in there. Okay? And we're going to style it using some nice background. And also we're going to style our inputs using some colors. And we're going to add a nice search icon in there. I'm going to show you how to do all this. Okay? Then we're going to have a menu that we're going to style using some nice background as well. And we're going to have some links inside the menu. Okay? And we'll add colors and transitions. And we'll be practicing CSS properties we have learned, like styling borders, adding padding, margins, and so on. And then we're going to have a nice content box. We're going to place some text there, header, a paragraph, and we're going to add some CSS styling as well. And then we're going to have a couple of sidebars, a left one and a right one. And inside each one, we're going to place a list of items. Then we're going to be styling using some nice colors, transitions, and pictures. Okay. And finally, we're going to have a nice footer for our website. Okay. All right. So in the next video, we're going to start writing some HTML and CSS code and build our website.